you gotta get into an electrician apprenticeship. $425 an hour. It's definitely worth it. Hey everyone, so I got a call today. It's the day after Thanksgiving from a lady. She said that the power in her entire house was off. Not just half of it, her whole house was off. She said she's been having problems with solar contractor who installed the solar on her house. She keeps trying to call them. They don't get back to her. So she finally reached out to a local electrician. So I let her know that it's a holiday weekend for us. Usually I charge 150 bucks an hour, but on holiday weekends, I charge 225, time and a half basically. So I let her know it was gonna be 450 for me to come out there, troubleshoot, and figure out what was going on and then repair whatever the issue is. So I get out there, the solar breaker was melting. Both legs, A and B leg, they were both melting. As you can see in the picture there, it was not good. You barely shake the breaker and it just starts arcing all over the place. Everything's closed right now except for Home Depot and Lowe's, and neither one of them had the old breaker that we needed for her panel. Thankfully though, in a bucket in my garage, I had an extra breaker. So I let her know I'm gonna put an old used breaker in there just so you guys can have power on, but you need to call the solar company to come out here. I just wanted to tell you, I went to charge her. I told her it was gonna be $450. I told her it was gonna be $450 before I even got there. I asked her for the payment and she comes out with a check for $850. So this doesn't happen very often, but it does happen. If you're thinking about becoming an electrician, you gotta get into an electrician apprenticeship. It's such a good trade to be in. And for those of you who are already electricians and are thinking about going off on your own, there's a lot of work that you need to do before you actually make the jump, but it's definitely worth it. I just wanna say I'm super thankful that I can be out here, I can make these videos. Hopefully you guys are learning things from them. And I know that I'm learning from you. If any of you are thinking about jumping off on your own and becoming an electrical contractor, it is difficult. At times it's really hard. But you come across jobs like this, you end up making $425 an hour. I was only there for maybe 2 hours, not even. As I said, I was only gonna charge her $450, but she was so thankful for me coming out on a holiday weekend when she knew I was sitting at home watching football with the family. So I just wanted to take a minute to thank all of you out there. Remember, in this Thanksgiving season, just be thankful for the things you have, the people who are around you and your friends, and thankful to the Lord for everything that He's given to us. So thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one.